So the camera just shut off. Like I said, I've never ridden in snow before. And I don't know if this is a great idea, but screw it. I mean, if you don't know, you don't know, right? So I come from an enduro so I come from an enduro background. Slippery mud, slippery rocks, all that stuff is really nothing uncommon for me. But this is something else here. This is quite interesting. So I just noticed riding in a track is actually more difficult because the track kind of freezes. So if I ride in the snow, I'm just riding in the snow. But if I ride inside the track, it's like way more slippery. That means I'm just going to try to stay in the snow a little bit. This is nuts. Ooh. And there we go. And down. Oh, God. Whew. Yeah, and that didn't take long. Man, I haven't dropped that bike in a long time. Whew. And it's a 10 of a man. She's heavy to pick up, that's for sure. Alright, it's quite a workout for the morning. Whew. Still recording? Yes we are. I need to bend that a little bit down. Whew. First fall in quite a while. I don't know if this was a good idea or not, but even turning around here would be quite difficult, so I think I just try to make it to the main road and make my way back. Whoa. 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 Wow, that's crazy. My God. Whew. Yeah, I'm just gonna creep out of here somewhat, be gentle on the throttle. Man, I mean, can you guys believe that we're only like 20 miles away from the ocean? Even down there at the beach is snowing right now. I'm gonna see if I can find a picture and post it in here. Okay, I'm just gonna slow down here real quick. Let these guys by. Yeah, they having the right equipment to be out here. These guys are having fun. Whoa. Don't fall again. Man, I'm already more tired than riding ADV a whole day. Whoa, easy, easy girl. You guys can definitely tell I don't come from the cold part of the world. I mean, I was born in Germany, but I lived all my life in the Dominican Republic. So for all of you that don't know, that's a tropical island. So yeah, this is not exactly my type of environment. That's why I really wanted to come out and try this, but man, this is sketchy. This is like really sketch. Whew. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn around. I have to admit defeat. I thought I was gonna cruise around here a little bit, but I don't think that I want to get actually out of public road. I think I'm gonna pass. Well, the gear's working pretty good. I have my heated socks on, my heater on fire actually. I have a heated underlay on, I'm actually nice and cozy there. Heated grips, heated gloves. I'm gonna say my fingertips are still a little cold, but it's nothing too bad, honestly. So right now I'm riding like a beginner. I'm riding with my feet down because try to balance this thing out here a little bit. Yeah, I have to give it to the guys that live up north, you know, that ride this stuff all winter long. I mean, I know most people wouldn't ride their bike to work, but I know there's a bunch of guys out there having fun in these type of conditions, and man, I have to say, this is a different type of animal. Well guys, I wanted to show you around a little bit in my little town when it snows, but ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna be very careful, make my way back home and be done with this. So I can say, been there, done that, pretty much. Well, one thing I do know for sure is I will not move to Alaska. Screw this. Maybe riding a snowmobile is something different, but ain't gonna happen on the bike.